Ito guys, wala pang bulaklak. Oh, whoop! Whoop! Ayun si Bunso sa likod, oh. Ang tangkaro. May nagpo-football dito guys, oh. Ito yung willow tree guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung namumulaklak to. Ay, namumulaklak. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Nasaan si Inday? Nasaan si Inday? Hanapin niya si Inday. Bulaga. Di ba? Nagtago ako sa ilalim ng willow tree. Uy, ang lilim dito. Malamig, oh. Ito yung bulaklak niya, guys. Maliliit lang yung bulaklak niya. Ayan, oh. It's a willow tree. Willow tree at the park. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Salamat sa inyong pagsama. Yan. Wala pa si Kuya, inaantay namin guys. It's so very nice outside, outdoor, fresh air, sunshine. The sun is out, everyone is out, no one is indoor. Everyone is busy running about, walking about, playing about, cycling about, exercising about. And how about me? Live about. Ayun si Bunso na mahinga. Yun, oh.